Hey, it's Julie Marie, and I want to show you what we're having tonight on a protective diet. First thing first, in my blender is a new roasted tomato soup. Oh my gosh, we have tomatoes coming out our ears from the garden, so I want to show you how to use them and get this protective tomato in your diet for the final month of fresh garden tomatoes. We are having this hot soup. It's blended hot, right in your high-speed blender. Blendtec, Vitamix, whichever you choose. They will both be fantastic with this recipe. This is leftover kids spaghetti. So when you break up those noodles like that, it's perfect. It's perfect for this soup. You could put rice in the bottom. You gotta starch it up, everybody. That's our energy on a protective diet, or any low-fat, truly low-fat, sugar-free, whole food, plant-based diet. And then we have our bread maker boule to go alongside of that if we want to add more starch energy. And then Jerry and I have been playing around with this new cooktop griddle pan and making lots of tortillas. I'm perfecting them on my induction cooktop, which is my countertop. I'll show you that in PD Ed really soon, I promise. It's so much fun. And we have pico de gallo because we are tomato crazy right now, eating seasonally. 'Tis the season. And we're gonna scoop this up, and you can see next to my pico de gallo, that's where I put my sauerkraut. And that's cordito. It's a El Salvadorian from El Salvador, their style of sauerkraut that I learned from Freddie, the tile guy that worked on my kitchen, and his wife, Lisette. Oh my gosh, they were so awesome teaching me about the cuisine from their culture. It was fantastic to learn from them. And then these, I don't know if you remember the Cheez-It crackers. This is a variation of those I was playing around with today because, you know, that's how I spend my off time. Today was supposed to be a day off, and it was. I played in my workplace for wellness, and here's cucumbers from my garden. I have a variety of different ones, and the lemon cucumbers are still happening too, and they paused for a little while. Now they're back. I have my protective sprouts, carrots, because Cooper has to have carrots every day, and we join him. Why not? For dessert, we have our mini yogi bowls and toasted oats to sprinkle on top for crunch, and grapes. We're going to be, I think we are about 75% grape right now. Our grapevines are doing spectacularly, and we are just loving it. It was worth the wait on those vines. Mm-hmm. So that's what we're having on a protective diet. And if you're interested in this new blender tomato soup, please comment below. Comment below. Let me know. Do you know what Jerry's least favorite soup is?
Tomato soup.
But what do you think of this one, Jerry?
Oh, I love it.
He loves it. So I think this might be it. And I love the use of leftover kids spaghetti in tomato soup because my mom used to give me these broken up noodles just like this. And I thought, hey, this is another way to use up leftover kids spaghetti if you ever have leftovers. All right, that's what we're having tonight on a protective diet. Show me what you're having. Take a picture of it tomorrow. Take a picture of it or a video of it, whatever you want to do. Share with our community. We're always interested in what you're having so that, I don't know, maybe we'll mix it up a little. See how we're vegging it up tonight and there's no salad on the table? Look at all our tomatoes. That pico de gallo is like a salad in itself. My cucumbers, my sprouts, my grapes, my sauerkraut. Oh my gosh, all these tomatoes. This is extremely protective. Take care and do your best. And forget the rest.
And best of health.